Imagine your self-driving car needing to wait for the cloud to respond before hitting the brakes. Even a 1-second delay could be disastrous. That's the problem with traditional cloud computing. Every time data that is generated has to travel all the way to distant data centers, get processed, and then come back. This creates three major issues: possible delays in response time, massive data traffic, and most importantly, expensive infrastructure. So what's the solution? That's where edge computing comes in. Edge computing is exactly what it sounds like. It brings computation closer to the edge of the network, where the data is actually created. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, edge computing processes data locally on devices, nearby servers, or edge nodes. Think of it like this. Instead of asking a faraway brain for every decision, your device starts thinking for itself. This means faster responses, smarter systems, and less reliance on distant servers. Let's break it down into three simple steps. Step 1, data source. This could be anything: your smartphone, a smart camera, or a factory sensor collecting real-time data. Step 2, edge node. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, it goes to a nearby edge device or local server that processes it locally and instantly. Step 3, the cloud. Only important or summarized data is sent to the cloud for storage or deeper analysis. This smart filtering reduces delays and makes systems much more efficient, giving you a real-time low latency experience with your smart devices. But why is edge computing such a big deal once we already have cloud computing doing the same job? So, first of all, speed. Since data is processed locally, responses are almost instant. Second, security and privacy. Your sensitive data doesn't always need to travel across the internet and is processed on site, which significantly reduces the risk of unwanted exposure. And lastly, the bandwidth savings. Once less amount of data is sent to the cloud, that simply means lower costs and lesser network congestion. In short, edge computing makes systems faster, safer, and more efficient. Edge computing is already transforming industries around us. In industrial sector, smart factories are using edge computing to monitor machines in real time and prevent failures instantly. In automation, local servers are being used to control robots without waiting for cloud instructions, enhancing the robotics to a much better level. Even in cities, edge computing is powering smart traffic systems, surveillance, and energy management. So basically, wherever speed matters, edge computing is making a huge impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech breakdowns.